Okay, so this is the JCB PTA 100 piece accessory kit. So let's take a look in here. So it should have all the bits and pieces we need. So we've got some masonry drills, we've got metal drills, wood drills, and we've also got our, should be all right actually, screwdriver fittings, hole cutting, okay, so a nice little storage case. Let's open this up. Nice. Okay, so this is going to cover you for pretty much most eventualities you're going to need on a site. Goes great with this new combi drill from JCB as well. These guys have sent me both these items. So looking at the accessory kit to start with, so it comes in a nice rugged case, good strong fastening with the JCB branding on there as well, so you can see that clips down. Little rubber handle, nice and solid, sort of quality you would expect from JCB anyway. Okay, let's open it up, take a look inside. So we've got your masonry drill bits here, 4mm to 10mm. Your wood drill bits, so here we've got 4 up to 8mm. And then your metal drill bits, these ones go from a 2 to 6.5mm. Okay. We've got 53 screwdriver accessories here as well. So these all go into your, there we go, holder. We'll pull one of these out, so there's posi drive number 3, pop that in there, put this in the combi drill. And we've got some socket pieces on here, some hole cutters, just a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch rebate tool there. You've got, that's your fittings for this, for your hole cutter. Then we got a box of accessories there. In there you've got some torque pieces, some extra posi drive Phillips pieces in there as well. Got the long reach, a decent array of different products. Thanks for the guys to JCB. This is definitely going to help me in my daily life out there sparkying. And I'll be putting it to the test and come back in a month's time and give you a little overview of what I thought about the drill and the accessories. For more great reviews, blogs and free stuff, visit askady.com. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click here. And for more videos, click here.